So I want to preface this video off by saying in no way, shape, or form am I a morning person. I have just conditioned myself, my body, and my mind to actually becoming a morning person. I would much rather stay in my bed until 12 a.m., but it's not conducive to my life and the lifestyle that I'm trying to live. So the first thing I start off by doing is actually praying, and then I go into meditation. So the next thing I'll do is hop on my phone like the typical millennial that I am, and I will go through my emails and check if there's anything that I need to respond to, check if I'm up to date with my collaborations and sponsorship content, and then I will hop on some social media sites, so like Instagram to see what's going on, and also TikTok. And then after that, I'll hop on YouTube because hubby does a morning show, and I'll go through his comment section and mediate his comment section while I get ready for my day.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
So my skincare is pretty simple. I go in with my Coarse Snail Hydrating Toner slash Essence, and I will go in with my benzoyl peroxide because I have sensitive acne prone skin, and especially when I go to the gym and sweat, my skin always breaks out. So I make sure I use my benzoyl peroxide in the morning and also put it on my chest area because I sweat a lot in my chest at the gym. And then I'm gonna go in with my Dr. Jart sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen, and because I have sensitive skin, I can only do mineral sunscreens. So this is where I normally get ready for my day, and I normally get ready by putting on my gym clothes and getting ready for the gym. By this time of the morning, my kids are up harassing me for juice, so I'm in the kitchen giving them juice and trying to get my supplements for the day in.
Hi guys, so good morning. Ever since I've been on my health and wellness journey since January, you guys know that supplements have been a very big part of that journey. And one of the supplements that I've been really focusing on is fiber. And if you guys remember my story about first taking fiber, you guys would know that my husband gave me some fiber and I projectile vomited up because it didn't taste good and it wasn't easy to digest. So I've been having a hard time consuming the right amount of fiber that I need to sustain my wellness and fitness lifestyle. And I think I found the perfect fiber supplement. Bellway is amazing. It's easy to digest, which was one of the issues that I found with taking other fiber supplements. But with Bellway, you won't have that problem. I absolutely love their fiber supplements, and raspberry is actually my favorite flavor. And I love how they come in packets like this and you can carry them on the go with you. If you're a female like me, you need 20 to 25 grams of fiber, and if you are male, you need 30 to 38 grams of fiber. And supplements is the way to go because you can get the right amount of fiber that you need daily without worrying about if you're consuming the right types of food that have the right amount or grams of fiber in it. And some of the benefits of taking fiber is frequent bowel movement. It allows you to lose weight. It helps you to live a longer life, and it also reduces high cholesterol and live a longer life. Who doesn't want to live a longer life?
Bellway can be found at Target, Sprouts, and Amazon, and also their official website, bellway.com. And if you choose to shop their website, you can use my code Shakira25 for 25% off your first order. Enjoy!
So thank you to Bellway for sponsoring this portion of the video. If you're looking for a fiber supplement that tastes good and that's easy to digest, Bellway is your way to go, I promise you. I've taken fiber supplements before and they just did not go down as easy as Bellway fiber supplement has gone down for me personally. So let's get into the rest of my morning routine.
Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Yeah. Wow.
So, if you followed me for a while, you would know that I said the only place that I want defined muscles is in my back and in my abs. And baby, this back is giving what it's supposed to give. Do you see this definition? Who can talk to me? Nobody.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm
So after my workout is normally breakfast time for my kids, and after their breakfast is normally time for my breakfast. And I intermittent fast, so I don't eat until 12 in the afternoon. So all I'm doing is making brunch really, and this is just a wrap. So I like to toast my wraps sometimes, and if you're toasting yours, make sure you don't leave it in the stove for too long, or else your lettuce and tomatoes will get. So this is when I get to relax and chill and watch some TV before I have to tackle the rest of my day.
So thank you guys for watching my morning routine. Thank you to Bellway for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Deuces.